It all started with fashion and grew as time went by. Today, 7 years later, we continue to bring you the best of haute couture, luxury lifestyle and show business. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to High Life Dubai Season 7. Wishing you all happiness and prosperity on the occasion of Eid. आज की शुरुआत करते हैं अंजलि एंड अर्जुन कपूर के लग्जरी ब्रेथ प्रीव्यू के संग. And after that, let's check out Manish Malhotra's exquisite festive collection. And for those who enjoy the finer things in life, try Rainbow Gold in all its richness. Oozing with lavish indulgence is Bulgari's new cream designed to defeat the onset of wrinkles. Our next stop is at Quadro Fine Art Gallery for a look at the collage ensemblage. Watch the newest, coolest Audi A6 launched recently in Dubai, designed specifically for Middle Eastern roads. And some Bollywood dazzle will wrap up the show as the cast of Azaan visits Dubai for the premiere. We deliver what we promise, a heady mix of glitz, glam and fashion, all coming together for you exclusively on High Life Dubai Season 7.
I'm Manish Malhotra. You're watching High Life Dubai, wishing all the viewers a very happy Eid.
Hi, this is Sarah Belhassa, wishing all the viewers of High Life Dubai Eid Mubarak.
I am Queenie Dodi and a very happy Eid to all of you.
Wishing everybody a very, very happy Eid.
What do you get when you meld vintage opera with a dash of classic Mughal? Quite a rare blend of old world sophistication and exquisite Indian ethnic, isn't it? And Anjali and Arjun Kapoor bring it to life so effortlessly. Take a look. Anjali and Arjun Kapoor recently brought to Dubai the Phantom Couture. The collection comprised of the flamboyant opera-style ball gowns, which were a blend of the authentic Mughal era with sophisticated Victorian sensibility. Anjali and Arjun's creations have always been for the lady who is a connoisseur to pull out from her sumptuous wardrobe where she wants to feel like royalty, walk the red carpet of life, or simply say, "I do" to the man she loves.
My new collection, as usual, it's a lot of Victorian inspired, but this year I've launched my line and taken a lot of inspiration from the Phantom of Opera. I did my first show, opening of the Bridal Week, India Bridal Week, with the whole collection. Then I had a second part 2, Phantom of the Opera, happening in London. Now part 3 will happen in Delhi. So this collection is like a lot of jewel collection, lot of jewel colors. So this is the first time that we have experimented with deep colors.
It's a wonderful feeling to be recognized by so many people in Dubai as the brand is getting more and more popular because it has a very customized, personalized, exclusive, digital design-oriented appeal.
If I need ethnic, I can come here. If I need something Western, I can come here. Indo-Western, weddings, anything. I think it's just one place where we need to come, shop. We get everything under one roof.
I just have to say, wow, I'm very impressed. I really enjoyed myself and I'm looking forward to wearing my beautiful pink dress.
I think the collection is fantastic because it's so festive, because we've got the wedding season coming, so it's very aptly timed.
And I think the pieces are fantastic and very unique.
I think it's an amazing and stunning collection. It's the most fascinating collection I've ever seen.
I think Anjali Kapoor are very innovative and they always come up with some exotic stuff. Especially with Dubai people, we just love their stuff.
This glamorous launch was a joint collaboration with the gorgeous jewellery of Gayatri Zaveri, which is known in the region for its rich yet modern designs.
It's a traditional collection. There's lots of polki here, uncut diamond jewellery, which I've specially made for the festive season. Lots of colour. The quality of the stones is fabulous. And there's rubies and emeralds and uncut diamonds and pearls. It's a very, very festive thing.
Jewelry is fantastic, and I think that there are some pieces which are very well made, and the way he's done it is very clean, neat.
The stones and the diamonds, that's the favorite thing.
Anjali and Arjun wish to give away 2 vouchers worth dirhams 500 each, especially for our viewers. All you need to do is answer this simple question. And the question is, what's the newest collection from Anjali and Arjun called? A. Haute Couture, B. Vintage Couture, C. Phantom Couture. Send in your answers through our Facebook fan page now. And going further in our quest for the best in Dubai's high fashion news blitz, let me take you to the pioneer of Bollywood fashion. Of course, you know who I'm talking about, my favorite, Manish Malhotra. Dubai is second home to Indians, and to the discerning fashionista, Manish Malhotra provides just a right blend of latest ethnic trends with perfect silhouettes, cuts and colors. Manish was at Studio 8 to launch his new festive collection, along with the lovely jewellery collection of ever beautiful Queenie Dodi.
Well, I think for me, it's a lot of color. It's a whole influx of color. There's a lot of work that I'm promoting from Kashmir. There are lots of craftsmen from Kashmir, there's special tilla work, the thread work, so that's a part of this entire collection. I think for me, clothes are all about a celebration, color, opulence, and whether it's Diwali, whether it's Eid, I love the idea of people wearing my clothes for a celebration. So I look forward to people wearing my clothes on Eid, and the colors that I think will go very well for Eid. I think the women of Dubai have a very eclectic mix because they can wear their Pakistani styles, the Indian styles. They wear a lot of international designers. The abaya looks beautiful, very, very elegant. And so I think that the women in Dubai have such a variety to dress, and they look beautiful and they enjoy it, yeah.
I brought a lot of the sets and, something that's more festive for the season, and complementing it with Manish's clothes.
Studio 8 is known to host the most extravagant launches with the faces of Dubai's fashion-forward present. We met her with most of them.
Today we are having a festive collection of Manish Malhotra and of course the jewellery by Queenie Dodi. And you can see everyone is loving the clothes, the colors. It's a good event, alhamdulillah.
Manish Malhotra's collection has a signature each time you see it. It's beautiful, it's fluid, it's absolutely gorgeous. The color combinations are stunning. The models look $1 million each. The collection is very, very commercial, and it's an absolutely stunning line.
We are here at Studio 8 and for Manish Malhotra's exquisite Diwali collection, and along with it is Queenie Dodi's beautiful, beautiful diamond collection as well.
It's fabulous. It's really dramatic. It's the lehengas are sexy. The kalidars are nice. If you have weight to hide, you can hide it behind the kalidars. If you don't, then wear the lehengas and the saris. They're amazing.
As always, fabulous, super colors, and you can never go wrong with Manish.
Manish is always fabulous. There are no words to say that he is obviously the best in India that we have.
Oh, the collection is amazing. You know, I'm loving each and every piece of Manish Malhotra.
I just love the collection. I think I was very lucky to get one of his best collection to wear.
And before I take a break, here's the good news. 3 lucky winners can take home a gift voucher worth 500 dirhams each for the Manish Malhotra collection from Studio 8. All you need to do is answer this simple question. And the question is, where is Manish Malhotra's festive collection available? A. Studio 8. B. Manish Malhotra Store. C. Fashion Studio. Go on our Facebook fan page for more details. अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break and I'll see you in a bit. Coming up after the break, see the launch of Rainbow Gold, the latest technology in age defense from Vulgari, and some art at Quadro Fine Art Gallery.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak to all the High Life Dubai viewers.